In this video, we are going to put the Sabinetek SmartMike Plus to the test. Cue the intro. What's happening, beautiful people? My name is Jim, and I'm here to share with you techs that can make our lives a little bit easier. So this time, we are going to put the Sabinetek SmartMike Plus to the test. First, in a controlled area like this one, and the next is outside for video number 2. But before I proceed, click on that subscribe button, and while you're there, hit that notification bell and smash that like button as well. All right, so you may have noticed I already have the SmartMike Plus on my shirt here, and I'm triggering this mic using the Sabinetek's own app called SmartMike App. If you only have one of these mics, then you should need to use the app to fully maximize the capabilities of the SmartMike Plus. All right, so I'm just gonna show you real quick what my setup is. So first, of course, I have my light source over there, right there. And then I have this Ulanzi, what do you call this? Tripod, desk pod, whatever. And then I have my phone right there. And of course, I have my mic right about here. And if you're a content creator, whether YouTube or for education or for anything really, this setup is more than enough to start. Now, how do you like the audio so far? How about a video using the app? Let me know down in this comment section below. All right, this time we are going to try the onboard camera app of my trusty Galaxy Note 9. Yes, I still have my Galaxy Note 9 till this day. All right, so this is the camera app of the Samsung that I have. Now you can see that white noise in the background. That's actually my fan over here. So earlier I had the fan on as well using the SmartMike app, and I'm pretty sure you didn't notice it. Can you hear that? So let me just turn it off real quick, and then I'll come back to you. All right, so how about this time? Is the sound quality a lot better? Is the audio better? Is the video better? If it is, or if there's no change, please let me know down in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. And lastly, what we're going to do is we are going to try the MS Master Slave system, or the TR system, or the transmitter and receiver system. So let's do that. So I'm back using the SmartMike app. Now I have two SmartMike Plus for this setup. This is the TR setup, or the MS setup, transmitter receiver, master slave kind of thing setup. So in order for you to do that, you need to have two Sabinetek SmartMike Plus. Now, this is good for two things. So first, if you want to use another camera's app, this would be worthwhile to use. Second is for using a DSLR or any camera that has no Bluetooth function, but has the ability for external mic use. But before I proceed, let me just tell you a couple of things, actually 3 things. A, you need to turn off the Bluetooth on your phone if you're gonna use this on your phone. Second is you have to make sure that both your smart mics are up to date to the latest version. C, you need to use the correct cable. So let me just show you the difference here. This one right here is called the TRRS cable, and I don't know if you guys can notice that there's only 2 lines, right? 1 and 2. So that's the TRRS cable. All right. This is used for anything other than your cell phone. And the next one is called the TRRS. And if you notice, it has 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. All right, so that's the TRRS. And you use this only for your phone. So let me show you how to connect your Sabinetek together. First, what you need to do is you need to press this button here for about 10 seconds. 10 seconds or so until you see a red and green LED light. And there, that's what I mean, red and green. So now this is your receiver. Okay, so the first one is your receiver. Then we're gonna go and get the transmitter. So same thing, but this time you only press for about 3 seconds until you see that. Now just leave them be. And if you notice, this, instead of being green and red, now it's just green. So that means it's already connected to the other. So both of them are connected now. And if you see the other one, it's now just blue. All right, so there. So that's how you know they're connected. But if you want to make sure that they're connected, there's two things you can do. First is, if you notice, there is actually right there, a headphone jack right there. Okay, so you can use any headphones, stick it in there, and then listen. If you can hear yourself in here, then that means you're good to go. Yeah, so I can hear myself. Okay. And the other thing, of course, is to record a little bit and then see if it actually is working. Now, let me know what you guys think of the audio, because that's basically the spiel. All right. So let me know what you think of the audio with this TR mode setup that the SmartMike Plus has. So that is it for this video. Now the part 2 will be the second test, where we will try the Sabinetek SmartMike Plus at an uncontrolled scenario, i.e. the outside. All right, beautiful people, thank you for staying with me until the end. I do really appreciate that. If you haven't, please consider subscribing. And as always, I will see you in my next one. Bye.